CVMC ECE Unit 2 Complex Integration. Complex integration. Lesson 1. Definition. If f of z is a continuous function of the complex variable z is equal to x plus iy defined at all points of a curve C, then integral over C f of z dz is called complex integral. Is called complex integral. Result. 1. F of z is equal to u plus iv. Z is equal to x plus iy. dz is equal to dx plus idy. F of z into dz is equal to u plus iv into dx plus idy is equal to u dx minus I square minus 1. So v dy plus I into v dx plus u dy. So integral over C f of z dz is equal to integral over C u dx minus v dy plus I integral over C v dx plus u dy. So evaluation of a complex integral is nothing but evaluation of two real integrals. Evaluation of sum of two real integrals. Result 2. Circle center radius. Mod z is equal to r circle. Center 0 0. Radius is r. Mod z minus a is equal to r. A0 r. Mod z plus a is equal to r. Minus a0 r. Mod z minus ia is equal to r. 0 a r. Mod z plus ia is equal to r. 0 minus a r. 0 0 r. negative sign is there, you write opposite sign. Plus sign is there, write opposite. Minus sign is there, I means y axis. Without I, x axis, x variable, x coordinate. With I, y coordinate. Without I, x coordinate. That is the observation. Mod z is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1. Mod z minus 2 is equal to 3, 2, 0, 3. Mod z plus 3i is equal to 5, 0 minus 3, 5. Mod z plus 2 plus 3i is equal to 7, minus 2 minus 3, 7. Mod z minus 3 plus 4i is equal to 2, 3 minus 4, 2. Result 3. Circle, center C, this is radius R, P is any point, Q point, R point. So CP less than R, CP less than R, CP less than R implies P lies inside the circle. P lies inside the circle. So distance between point and center is less than radius. P lies inside the circle equal to R on the circle greater than R outside the circle. Very, very important observation. Q lies on the circle CR greater than small r. This implies capital R lies outside the circle. Outside the circle. Problem 1. Problem 1. Evaluate integral 0 to 2 plus I z bar whole square dz along the curve. Along the curve y is equal to x by 2. Solution. Here y is equal to x by 2 is given. So x is equal to 2y. Dx is equal to dy. Z is equal to x plus iy. Z bar is equal to x minus iy. Z bar whole square. X minus iy whole square. X minus iy whole square is equal to x square plus I square y square minus y square minus I into 2xy. A minus b whole square formula. Z bar whole square. Here integral is single integral. Here two variables are there. You write x instead of x, you write 2y whole square minus y square minus I into 2x into 2x value 2y. 2y into y is equal to 4y square minus y square minus I into 4y square. 4y square minus y square, 3y square minus I into 4y square. So common y square. 3 minus 4i into y square. 3 minus 4i into y square. This is z bar whole square. dz is dx plus I dy. dx is 2 dy plus I dy. This is single integral. Here two variables are there, x and y. You write y in terms of x or x in terms of y. So dx is 2y, 2 dy, 2 plus I into dy. This is your dz. Now limits. Here in the integration 0 to 2 plus I is there. 0 to 2 plus I. 0 to 2 plus I. 0 to 2 plus I means you write in point 0, 0 to, you write this point 2, 1. X coordinate 0, y coordinate 0. Here x coordinate 2, y coordinate I coefficient 1. So x limits are 0 to 2. Y limits are 0 to 1. So y limits are 0 to 1. Integral 0 to 2 plus I z bar whole square dz. This is the actual problem. 0 to 1 y limits z bar whole square 3 minus 4i into y square dz 2 plus I into dy. So 3 minus 4i into 2 plus I integral 0 to 1 y square dy. You multiply these two, 6 plus 3i minus 8i, I square minus 1, minus and minus plus 4. Integral y square is y cube by 3, 0 to 1 is equal to 10 minus 5i into upper limit minus lower limit 1 by 3 minus 0. Upper instead of y write 1 by 3 minus 0. So final answer is 10 minus 5i by 3. 10 minus 5i by 3. Problem 2. Evaluate integral 1 minus I to 2 plus I 2x plus iy plus 1 into dz along the path x is equal to t plus 1, y is equal to 2t square minus 1. Solution. Write first 2x plus iy plus 1 value in terms of t. 2 into t plus 1 I into y value 2t square minus 1 plus 1. This is equal to 2t plus 2 plus 1, 2t plus 3 plus I into 2t square minus 1. Z is equal to x plus iy. So here x is equal to t plus 1. So dx is equal to dt. Y is equal to 2t square minus 1. So dy is equal to 4t dt. T square derivative 2t, 2 into 2 4t dt. So dz is equal to dx plus I dy. dx is dt plus I into dy 4t dt. So 1 plus 4 I t common dt. Here lower limit is 1 minus I. Implies this meaning is x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1. Without I, I coefficient y. So x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1. But x is equal to t plus 1. T plus 1 is equal to 1. Y is 2t square minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Is equal to t value 1 minus 1, 0. Here 2t square is equal to minus 1 plus 1, 0. T value 0. This implies t is equal to 0. From two values, t is equal to 0. Upper limit is 2 plus I. 2 plus I means z is equal to 2 plus I. X plus iy is equal to 2 plus I. So x is equal to y is equal to 1. Actually, this is the meaning. X value t plus 1 is equal to 2. Y value 2t square minus 1 is equal to 1. From this t value 2 minus 1, 1. From this t value 2t square value 2. T square value 1. T is plus or minus 1. You take common value. So this implies t is equal to 1. Common value. We get 1 minus 1. Here 1. Common value is 1. So t is equal to 1. T limits are 0 to 1. T varies from 0 to 1. So 2x plus iy plus 1 into dz. 2t plus 3i into 2t square minus 1 into dz means 1 plus 480 dt. Simplifying and writing real part and imaginary part like this. Integral 1 minus I to 2 plus I 2x plus iy plus 1 dz is equal to integral 0 to 1 minus 80 cube plus 60 plus 3 plus I into 10t square plus 12t minus 1 dt is equal to minus 80 power 4 by 4 plus 60 square by 2 plus 3t plus I into 10t cube by 3 plus 12t square by 2 minus t 0 to 1. Integration is over. Integration is over. Substituting 1 here, minus 8 by 4 minus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus I into 10 by 3 6 minus 1. Substituting 0, we get 0, lower limit. So 6 minus 2, 4 plus 25i by 3 or 12 plus 25i by 3. This is the final answer. Problem 3. Evaluate integral 0 to 1 plus I x square plus iy dz along the path y is equal to x. Homework same as above model. Problem 4. evaluate integral 0 to 2 plus I z bar whole square dz along real axis to 2 and vertical to 2 plus I. Solution. Do homework. Problem 5. Evaluate integral 1 minus I to 2 plus 3I z square plus z dz along the line joining the points 1 minus 1 and 2 3. Homework. Do homework.